So I really started to dive into, this whole multifamily realm early this summer of June, and I attended a 3-day workshop. I didn't know, a mentorship program was a thing. Long story short, through that mentorship program, I wanted to see what else was out there, and I found Wheelbarrow Profits, and I felt really comfortable, and the people were super nice, so I kind of just dove in. And how I found out about this event is Vince and Mackenzie. They sent out an email that there'll be a money mixer in Nashville. And being newer in the business, I know network is everything, and meeting people is super important. So I figured, you know what, I might as well sign up and go and see who I can meet. Really, no one is, you know, different than you are. Everyone puts the pants on the same way in the morning. Yeah, someone might know more than you, but it's a time thing, right? And once you learn and build a confidence, it's not like that person's someone special. It's just if you put in the time and effort, like eventually you'll get there. You just need to be patient and, diligent and putting in the work to get to that level. My personal goals is to be able to build a platform that people could come to me and trust me to invest their hard-earned money in real estate. And I think today was a pivotal moment for me, just from a networking standpoint and meeting people who I really think who could help me in my career. You get what you put into anything, right? And if this is something you're truly passionate about and you want to go 100% into it, yeah, I would say it's a no doubter, not only from, a knowledge building standpoint, but being able to tap into the community and utilize the coaches to give you the confidence to go out and do your first deal. That is, something that doesn't even have a price value on it. That's just something that's so valuable. And if this is something you want to do, it's definitely an avenue and a program that I think you should go forward with.